Good evening, ladies and gentlemen from all around the Onecoin world. This is the Thursday's call, State of the Nation. My name is Sebastian Greenwood. I started the Onecoin network and I'm very happy to be on this call. This is a special call. We do updates every Thursday, and this week is not a, how to say, normal week. We have some very special news for you, and I can tell you that I've been doing webinars all last night until actually 6:45 a.m. in the evening, because we're opening up so many new markets around the world, and we have so much OneCoin news to share. So welcome to this morning's State of the Nation. I am very happy to see that this call gets so many people on it, because this is the only opportunity where you really hear it from myself, and I do get the information directly from the company. And once in a while, we're very lucky to have, of course, Dr. Rusha Ignatova to come on to the calls and give us her fresh insights on what's happening in OneCoin. Now, this week, I would say, is a new power week. We can see some amazing increase in sales this week, and this is due to the fact that we actually have launched some new products in the family of OneCoin packages. So talking about the new family member of the product packages, let me introduce to you now on this call, and you probably already heard it, but it is the Premium Trader. This is a very special package. It is the only package today that gives you so many tokens where you can actually go into the mining rigs directly and still get the splits. So if you just look at this package in its basic feature, you have 150,000 tokens that come with this package. Now this package is a package that comes with 12,500 BV, so it's 12,500 euro, and it's full upgrades like all the packages. But if you look at this package in particular, you can see that the benefits of either purchasing this package directly or upgrading directly from a tycoon is very beneficial. So in its basic essence, it has all the features of a tycoon in terms of splitting twice, and it has, of course, more tokens. However, when you look into the package itself, these tokens can directly go to the mining, and you still benefit from the splits. Did you hear what I'm saying? You do still benefit from the splits. So let's say today you purchased a Premium Trader or upgraded to a Premium Trader. You can directly submit your tokens for mining, and you will still get the splits of total tokens. So after the second split, if you did not upgrade from before and bought it directly, you would actually come out with 600,000 tokens. Now that is a big package, 600,000 tokens. So of course, all those tokens go directly to the mining, and you will come out with some nice numbers of coins. Now, if you, for example, did upgrade from a tycoon, and this is a very, very good upgrade package, due to the fact that, let's say you had one split of a tycoon, okay? You would still get more splits by upgrading, and you'll get all those tokens to split. So in effect, you could get up to 4 splits with this package. That is what you could get. So this is amazing. Now, not only it has so many tokens and it gets all the splits, but you do also mine the tokens. You use your tokens for the mining at a discounted rate, always. And it will always be one token less than the prevailing mining difficulty. So for example, today we are mining the Onecoin at 16 token as the difficulty rate. Now with a premium trader, okay, you would be mining at 15 tokens. So some people have promoted online, I know, that it's 15 tokens fixed. This is not correct. What is correct is that you do get a discount on the mining rate, always. So all those people out there, including yourselves, if you purchased a Tycoon recently or in the past, you should upgrade to a premium trader as soon as possible. Not only to mine at a lower rate, so you get more coins, more value in the package, but you will get more splits as well. The max out is the same as the Tycoon, so you keep the 35,000 euros per week, which is definitely a very, very good income. And of course, there's still the promotion going on until the 1st of September, where you get 250 virtual AGC. Now, do remember, when you do get those virtual AGC in your account, you only need 15,000 to convert them into a real 15-gram AGC coin. So, of course, everybody who has AGC, virtual AGC from their Tycoons and other packages, the more you upgrade or purchase packages, you do get on top, of course, of your total account. So once you hit those 15,000, you will be able to trade them for a real 15-gram 99 AGC coin. And I think most people on this call have either touched the real deal of this coin, this AGC coin, or you've seen it in some presentation or on Facebooks and stuff like that. So this is definitely a very special announcement in terms of launching a new product package, and it's a very highlight of why we have so much increase this week, starting of this week as of Monday, with sales. Sales are increasing like crazy due to the fact that we have the premium trader. Now, if we look at the current promotions, they're also not hurting the business very much. They're actually going crazy on these promotions. Now, look at what we have here. This is a promotion based on the different packages. And these promotions are valid until the 30th of September 2015. So you should really get your hands on these promotions. And it's definitely very, very beneficial. So if you look at the first one here, which is 10+1 premium. Now what 10+1 premium means is that if you accumulate sales of 10 premium packages and you bank in to the company or through a credit card, 10 premiums, I give you an extra premium on top for free. So let me say that again. 10 premium packages bundled into one wire transaction into the company. You receive one extra premium for free. That is 12,500 euros for free. So it's an amazing package. If we move over to the 7+1 premium, we can see that if you do 7 premium collective sales banked in to the company in one shot, you get an extra free Tycoon Vegas package. So that is also a very interesting hybrid, because the people who understand that Coin Vegas is a very attractive model if you like that type of online gaming, you actually get paid out, of course, your winnings onto your trading account. So whatever we do in this Onecoin world, we are always accumulating more and more coins. And that is what we want to do at this stage. All of us need to be thinking, how many coins, Onecoins, should I have in my portfolio when it's time to open up for the general internet audience to be trading with this coin? This is the key message. The more coins you have, you become the supply. Then you choose when you feel the time is right for you to execute your public sale. The internal sale, in terms of the internal exchange that we have now, is just a touch and feel, learn what's going on with the trading. And of course it has its rules and regulations. But when we go on to and open up for the general public, there are no rules. Now, if you were a holder of Bitcoin, let's say in 2009 or 2010, with all the information you already know by now, would you sell that Bitcoin portfolio in 2010? I don't think so. You would probably be looking into selling more 2012-13 to get that crazy increase in price. And we all know the correlation currently between the price of the coin and the mining difficulty, connected to also demand and supply in the internal market. You can imagine when the network, us, when we've taken out enough coins from the mining rigs, we are the supply in the market. We are together combined supply. Now there are hungry investors out there who want to buy Onecoin today. But they cannot. They cannot buy Onecoin today directly from the exchange. They, of course, have to be part of the value mechanism by joining the network, by coming in on an education package and mining the coin. You have to remember that the value of this education package, of the Onecoin project, let's say, is mining, because you get the right to mine Onecoin at a very early stage where it's easy to mine this coin. Now, if somebody told you today it's easy to mine Bitcoin, they would not be telling the truth. It's very difficult to mine Bitcoin today. It's very difficult to get ROI on the mining. Just turn my phone off because it's going crazy every minute. What I can say is that all people on this call and everybody who listens to this call should be thinking only, how many coins am I personally going to have in my wallet when this opens up for the general public? So really use this to your advantage, and use these promotions to get a little extra kick and invest in your own network. So for example, as a leader, let's say you're going now and you promote the premium package. Now make sure you promote it in a smart way where you can actually say, listen, 7+1 or 10+1. Now that extra one that you get, you can stimulate your own business by helping your new team member to grow. you can start somebody up with that extra premium. So this is how it works, and this is how most of the successful leaders in Onecoin are using these promotions. So please also take this opportunity. 10+1 Tycoon, the Onecoin Tycoon. Now you collect 10 sales of Tycoon and you bank those 10 sales into the company. One extra free Tycoon for you. Whatever you do with that extra Tycoon is up to you. A smart way is to grow your network. Help the people to also grow. Start them up. 3+2, 3 Tycoons, 1 coin still, and receive 2 free trader packages. So these promotions are there to really stimulate you as a leader. They're there to make sure that you succeed in your business. And this is very important. We all are here to succeed. We know for a fact that the coin business, the Onecoin business, is a very profitable business, even without the network. The network aside, the coin is a very profitable business. Why? Because you are there early. You are there to benefit from easy mining, getting as many coins on your hand or in your wallet as possible. When that day comes, when the general public wants to hunger your coin, wants to really grab them, because they're also there to grab them at a very low price. Of course, in the open market, this coin will not be as low priced as it is today. I mean, currently, one coin in the internal exchange is trading around €1.60. So this is why you should take all the opportunity you can and start getting your hands on the coins. Of course, in the meantime, you're also making a weekly income. And that's, of course, fantastic. So on both sides of the business, you are profiting. And why are you profiting? Because you came in on an educational package that taught you how and why you should be working in the cryptocurrency industry. And actually what you learn even more there is quite advanced trading skills. So you can become a professional trader in the cryptocurrency space just by going through the One Academy. And I recommend everybody to go through the One Academy. Does not matter what level or what package you have. Go through all 5 levels. Now, even with the premium package, there's a 6th level being added on, which is not there yet, but is being added on. So there'll be 6 levels of training for you to profit now and in the future. So this is what it's all about. 6+1 Tycoon Vegas. Well, this package is dedicated 100% to the Coin Vegas platform. Why? Because we have a unique collaboration where Onecoin as a cryptocurrency can be used to exchange for casino credits. Now, there's so many players on this platform that they have to upgrade the servers quite soon, because there's a lot of people who actually like online casinos. They like playing poker, they like playing all the different slots and so on. Now, it's quite interesting that in this early stage of the development of Onecoin, this casino has been kind of attracted by the Onecoin opportunity and seeing that there's so many players who want to use their existing coins and convert them into casino credits. So the 6+1 basically means you collect or buy 6 Tycoon Vegas packages, and you will then bank those into the company or pay them through a credit card directly, and you'll receive that extra free Tycoon Vegas package. Remember, this is valid until the 30th of September 2015. That's why it's a promotion. This is a current promotion. It can change at any time, so please use this to your advantage and make sure you benefit. We all want to benefit in one way or the other. This is a very, very unique opportunity to benefit. Okay, next topic. Credit cards are actually switched on again. So this means that all packages on the platform of Onecoin in the shop, you can use your credit card. You can use it for multiple purchases, and you should know that it's only 3D secure cards only. Now, we are in the cryptocurrency space. We are an alternative to all these payment methods, like, for example, bank wires, credit card payments, etc. Due to the fact that there's so many issues with credit cards alone, if you look at the whole problem with criminal activities using fraudulent cards or stolen cards or plagiarized cards. So 3D Secure is one of those secure mechanisms in the industry that actually secures the merchant, in this case being Onecoin, from having any chargebacks. So this is definitely a very good opportunity for you who want to use credit cards, but it does come at a cost. I mean, it costs 7% to do this. So think about it. The bank wire is much more beneficial than going through a credit card. But anybody who wants to use a credit card, they are more than welcome to use it, but it has to be a 3D secure card. So it does not work in all parts of the world. Okay, more exciting information. The internal exchange, One Exchange. This is where member to member get to buy and sell the coin. So at this early stage of the development, the price of the coin, as you can see in the back office, in the exchange, is moving daily. You can see the price going up and down, up and down. Now, this is where people actually can do some profit taking through the actual strategies of buying low, selling high, also called day trading. So you can, at this early stage of this exchange, do some day trading and you can play around with it. There is a matching, there's an execution of the orders due to the matching. So once an order is matched, the execution happens. So this is how it works. Very good news in the exchange is that the trading, the limits, we have 50 euros, which is the maximum we can sell today. Of course, if we are a premium trader, I forgot to mention this, if we are a premium trader, we can actually sell up to 100 euros per day. But if you're a tycoon, you can sell up to 50 euros per day in the exchange. Now, as of the 10th of August 2015, which is just round the corner, there will be a 20% increase across the board. So it means we can actually sell more from higher value. So that's a great, great news and a great signal that the company is analyzing what we're doing. They're monitoring us all the time to make sure that our behavior is correct. Because do remember again, we are a newly born cryptocurrency. Anybody who shorts this cryptocurrency or sells this cryptocurrency too early will be losing all that value that will come once the general public can get their hands on this coin. So think about it. This is not a short-term company. This is a very serious cryptocurrency that has its already vision and plan mapped out. And we are still in the value creation phase of mining, and we are also in the value creation of adding merchants to the Onecoin. So we together as members, as a network, we work together to enhance the value of the coin so we can benefit in the future when the general public get their hands on this coin. The lucky draw. There is a lucky draw. If you know what a lucky draw is, like a lottery, but basically because of the Coin Vegas license in Malta, we can use this to create a lucky draw. So there is a first ever lucky draw in Coin Vegas and Onecoin's history, where Onecoin members who have purchased a Coin Vegas Tycoon package enter into this lucky draw. So it's every month, one of us who is buying a lot of the Coin Vegas Tycoons, we have a chance to participate in winning a cold 100,000 euro directly from the lucky draw. Now, the more Tycoons, Coin Vegas Tycoons, you either purchase or sponsor, so it's on both sides of the business, not only you buying, but also you promoting, gives you a ticket into the draw. The more tickets you have, the higher the chance is that you will be the lucky winner of the Coin Vegas lucky draw. So this is definitely something very interesting, and of course it's got nothing to do with cryptocurrency, but it's a very interesting spin because we are in this partnership with Coin Vegas. And if you haven't checked out Coin Vegas, you should definitely go onto the platform coinvegas.eu, and you can even play for free there. So just to try the game, see what it's all about. But it's an online casino. There is some really cool games in there, just like the slots machines are quite fun, just to try and get those winnings there. And also there's more games later down the line where you'll have multiple games, live games like poker, etc. being added. And there's also talks about a sports book. And of course, sports betting is a huge popular industry and growing very fast into the Asian communities. I know that some of the very big companies in terms of sports betting are coming from Europe and the USA, but it's really interesting to see that our partnership and we as Onecoin members can go into Coin Vegas and benefit. So please check that out as well. So this was really the highlights of the State of the Nation for this week. This is Thursday, the 6th of August. I'm calling out from Asia. I don't know where you are in the world, but I hope you're doing well. Please make sure to use these benefits in terms of the promotions as a tool to grow your business, to grow your network. This is what the successful leaders in Onecoin are doing. And they are for sure, and there are hundreds and hundreds of them, maxing out the compensation plan and they go for it. And that's what it's all about. If you want to build a business in Onecoin, you go for it and you really run with the coin. If you come in on a package and you wait for the value to go up, well, congratulations to you, because you're part of a very new currency, cryptocurrency, that will be bigger, than Bitcoin. Why? Because the dynamics of our network succeed in pushing the price and the market capitalization of Onecoin to the number one. Currently today, if we were a publicly traded coin, we would have the second largest market capitalization in the industry. You can check it out on that new XCoinX exchange, xcoinx.com. Of course, this is only the early days. So think about it. You need to have many, 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 many coins in your wallet. Grab as many as you can and go with the company when they open up for the general public to get their hands on your coins. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, State of the Nation are every Thursday, 11 p.m. Hong Kong time, 5 p.m. Central European time. Now, do get on all those local webinars that are hosted by local leaders. There are a lot of calls out there. Talk to your sponsors. Talk to the people who are doing the calls. So you learn more. You get to understand why you are fortunate enough to be a part of this success story. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great week. I'm happy to be on the call. This is Sebastian Gould, and good night, good day, good morning, wherever you are. God bless.